Best Way Upholstery presents Ferrari 458 Italia dash recovering and repair seat upholstery. The 458 powered by V8 engine with 570 horsepower. The interior is in good condition, but dashboard leather cover starts coming up. We should recover it. One more problem is driver seat upholstery. It has some damage. We have to replace damaged parts and refresh the seat. First step is taking apart seat upholstery. As you see, also we have to reshape foam. Dashboard recovery requires removing whole panel. Next step was preparing it. Finally, after our works, leather dash cover looks like new. The seat upholstery looks good either. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please call 310-435-8417. We located in Los Angeles, California.